Lazy dog. You need to stop trying to attack the chickens when they're trying to eat. Huh? Thinking that that's your food. Don't let the turkeys eat your food. And you'd have food to eat. Silly. Alright, y'all, welcome back to the journey. So, yeah, I'm already sweating. I've already been up the hill a couple times, just doing those last few preps for modern gun deer season. What are you doing? You all fanned out? Who are you fanning out for? Look at all that blue in your face. Huh? Oh, is it for her? Is that who you're doing it for? Snowball, you're funny. Oh, you're not funny? You're funny. So yeah, basically doing those last little preps for hunting season, modern gun. But got the old cement mixture over here, got the wheelbarrow, got everything prepped that you've seen in the last video. So now it's time to go ahead and pour some concrete. So I am going to be doing a wet pour. This is a 4 foot by 8 foot. It's actually just a little under 8 feet. So the length of the boards here are 8 feet long, but then they come in, so it's just shy of 8 feet by basically 3 inches. So yeah. Anyway, we are going to go grab all of the concrete. I have that over there in the big shed over yonder ways. I still don't have any pallet forks. So I think what I'm gonna try to do, obviously when we moved Giggle's house, I attempted using some metal that didn't hold up because that thing's really heavy. Well, concrete's really heavy too. So I think I'm gonna try to do this to see if it'll hold. If I'll try to put the most of the concrete that I can towards the back, but let's see how much of this we can move concrete wise. And then yeah, and I still got some scrap stuff left over from that. But anyway, let's go grab the concrete.
It's Friday.
Well, we'll see what happens. I think with putting that down, it will kind of help too with holding it in place. But yeah, I don't know. I mean, it holds my weight. I'm a fat boy, so. All right, let's load this thing up with some concrete. There goes the chickens fighting. Because we have so many roosters, 3 of them went to freezer camp yesterday. More are going to be going this weekend. Nobody needs 7 roosters. Alright, I went ahead and pressed my luck with one extra layer of 4. So that's an additional, 240 pounds. But it came over here okay. I did see that it bent the T-post just a little bit. But let's go ahead and get over here. Make sure that the mixture works. Alright, we got it plugged in. Get it tested. See? Alright, we're in business. So, I do want to try to get some like rocks or whatnot to kind of hold this up just a little bit, or put something to hold that metal up. Well, I don't know. I could probably lift it as I'm pouring concrete in. It'll probably be just fine as well. Leaves, I guess the leaves are just going to be part of the equation because you can't stop them from falling. And I have a feeling too, I might need to try to see if I have plastic or something I can lay on top of this once it's done, because all these leaves are going to fall in there, and I already know it's going to cause an issue. Plus chickens. I've been thinking about that too, is how am I going to keep the chickens off of it, which I'm probably not. So at that point, I'm just going to do the best that I can. And I mean, it's their house anyway, and I guess if they leave little footprints in it, then they leave footprints in it. It's going to be part of it, I guess. All right, well, let's get busy. Okay, so we're going to be utilizing the Quikrete high strength concrete. And if I bring you in here, this, right, we're not sponsored, but all you have to do with this, just add water. All right, it's good for setting posts, steps, patios, sidewalks, floors, footings, all that good stuff, right? So, and this has the 4,000 psi. Do we need it to be that strong for this? Definitely not. But anyway, with this, basically all you're doing, it has in here how much water that you add. So add approximately 4 pints or 1.9 liters of potable water for each 60-pound bag. So what I'm going to be doing, and I got a little overzealous and sprayed myself, I have a water jug here, basically 1 gallon. So each 60-pound bag utilizes just a hair over, so it's 0.513 roughly of water. So 1 gallon, right, and that says 3.78 liters. So 1 gallon should be 2 bags, and I'm going to mix 2 bags at a time. This machine can handle 2 of the 80-pound bags at a time. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing 2 at a time, and to make it easy with the water, I'm just going to fill that up each time. Now, if I can only find my nozzle for my hose, that way I don't have to go all the way over yonder for the spigot every time that I need water. So let me go see if I can't find this thing. Well, couldn't find my spigot or my nozzle per se, but I did find the next best thing, which was a little shutoff valve used for RV potable water filling. So this will work just fine, and it has a nice little hose on there. Obviously no longer suitable for drinking water, but it's plenty suitable enough for filling water jug for concrete. All right, let me go turn on the water. And of course we sprung a leak. So let me go turn off the water, and then I have little O-rings. I think this was missing an O-ring. Yep, it's always something. Ooh, relieve the pressure. It does have a ring in there, but I don't think it's very good. But this one has the screen. Don't necessarily need that, so I'll take that out. Hold on to it. You can buy these, like a package of them for like $1, $2. Always good to have on hand. All right, turn off my valve, and then let's go see if that worked. What do you think, Snowball? Is it working? Is it leaking? Say hi to everybody. All right, there we go. So now we're in business with water. All right, let's get to mixing. Oh my goodness gracious. Well, I'm a little over halfway, give or take, and that's all the bags I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 20, I believe is what we got. 20. I do have one more bag over in the playroom, which I'm probably gonna need because, yeah, the calculator, and I even did an overage, but I don't know. I said how thick the slab was, I said the size that it was, and we're even 3 inches shorter than what it was, and I still don't think I'm gonna have enough concrete. So yeah, plus I've been mixing it a little bit wetter, so out of the 2 bags I use one full jug of water, and then I fill it back up again, and then I bring it down to either right around the top towards like where this is the distilled water bottle, right? So somewhere within this area here is extra water. So this will be the first and only concrete slab I do by myself. Sidewalks, no patios, none of that stuff. Well, I do by myself the concrete. Someone else is gonna be out here helping. I'm down to my last bag. I even went and grabbed the bag out of the playroom. And that's basically where I'm at. So Glass is gonna run into town. She's gonna grab me a few more bags. I say go ahead and grab 10. I mean, it never hurts to have some sitting around extra, because we will have other projects to do with concrete. But anyway, I'm gonna continue working on this, getting this going. And I mean, the only thing I can think of is obviously the frame is 3.5 inches thick. Even though we're 3 inches short on the length of what we calculated for, the depth, because of the dirt, isn't exactly level with the bottom of the framing. It's gonna be deeper than 3.5 inches over the majority of it, right? Some of it was right there at the bottom, some of it was not. So because of that, I'm pretty sure that's where my underage is. So even though the calculator called for 20.69 of the 16 pound bags, we had 22 bags, 23 bags, because I used an extra one, and I'm still this short, minus what's in the mixer right now, which is only 1 bag. So yeah, not good. All right, so we're actually a couple days later, a few days later, but yeah, Gladys went to the store, ended up getting me 80 pound bags instead of the 60 pound bags, which is fine. They were cheaper, but after already moving the 22 60 pound bags, I was dead to the world. But let me get you flipped around. Let's take a look. Boom. We even Glass even poured a little step, which we'll find something to do with that. But yeah, concrete's done. I need to get in here and get all the forms and stuff taken off. It's already cured for about 3 days. So yeah, I definitely need to get the forms off of it. But it's done. So now all that's left to do is to go get the materials and start coming up. So the Chicken Coop Expansion Project is well on its way, because this, obviously, pouring the foundation is always first. You have to have a good foundation to have a good building. All right, so well, hopefully you enjoyed following in on today's journey, and continue to follow along as we build up the chicken coop, getting them ready for winter. And yeah, so if you'd like to stick around a little bit further on this journey we call life, then go ahead and check out this video we have right here, or the whole year's playlist is over on this side. It continues to grow as the year progresses. Icons up here at the top make it easy to subscribe both here and to our side channel. Go check that out. It's greatly appreciated. And then last but not least, always get out there, thank a veteran every chance you get, not only on Veterans Day. We'll see you on the next one. Later, friends.